In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Health app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up App Store. Once it is done, tap right here to go to search, and then at this search box, just start typing Health, just like that. That's how we can easily find Health app here. Now we need to tap at Apple Health. And now if this button says update, we just need to tap on it to get the latest Health app version. If the app says open, it means that you have already the latest app version installed and you don't need to update it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.